Right, in section 6, we're going to take a look at properties of systems of linear equations, and more specifically, we're going to look at how many possible answers they may have. So far, the systems that we've looked at have had one possible solution, but there are special occasions where there could be no possible solutions or an infinite number of solutions. So we're going to take a look at those now. So if we were to graph our systems of linear equations, if we have intersecting lines, like this first one here, we have one solution, exactly where those two lines meet. Parallel lines, those two lines will never meet, right? They have the same slope, but a different y-intercept. And we have coincident lines, so lines that are exactly the same. They have the same slope and the same y-intercept. So when we're given a system of linear equations, we want to convert them into point-slope form and check the slope and the y-intercept, sorry, the slope-intercept form. And so we can check slope and intercept and go from there. So determine the number of solutions for each linear system. So we're going to convert the first one to slope-intercept form. So we're just going to subtract x from both sides. We got y is equal to negative x minus 2. So slope equals negative 1. Y-intercept negative 2. This next one's going to take a little bit of work. We have to add 2x to both sides. So we get negative 2y is equal to 2x plus 4. We're going to divide both sides by negative 2. We get y is equal to negative x minus 2. So again, slope negative 1, y-intercept negative 2. So they have the same slope, they have the same y-intercept, so we're going to have an infinite number of solutions. If we look at part B, again, we want to get it to slope-intercept form. So we want to isolate the y, subtract 4x from both sides. We get 6y is equal to negative 4x minus 10. Divide both sides by 6. So we get a slope of negative 4 over 6. So slope is negative 2 over 3. Y-intercept is negative 10 over 6, which is negative 5 over 3. And we move on to this one. We add 2x to both sides. So we get negative y is equal to 2x minus 1. Divide by negative 1. Get y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. Slope is equal to negative 2. Y-intercept plus 1. So we have one solution. And last but not least, let's look at this one here. We're going to subtract 3x from both sides. So we get y is equal to minus 3x minus 1. Slope is negative 3. Y-intercept is negative 1. Over here, we're going to add 3x to both sides, or add 6x to both sides. Get negative 2y is equal to 6x plus 12. We're going to divide by negative 3. We're going to get negative 2x minus 4. Slope is negative 2. Y-intercept is negative 4. Hold on. We're not dividing by -3, dividing by -2. Oh, it's been one of those days. All right. So divide by -2. So 6 divided by -2 is -3. -3x minus 6. So slope is -3. Y-intercept is -6. So the slopes are the same. Y-intercepts are different. So we're going to have parallel lines, no solution. There's going to be no point at which those two lines intersect.